Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my people from wherever you're watching. This particular message is for the Niger Delta people, the South-South, whichever way you choose to address them. Some call it Niger Delta, some call it South-South. Well, they are still part of what we call the old Eastern Nigeria. You know, during the war, Igbo and some areas in River State were declared. They were given states and they had to pull out from Biafra. Yeah. Prior to, in the beginning, there was a time, all in the Igbo dialects. Everybody was just like, oh, we are one, until Gawan gave them states and they pulled out. And they seized Igbo properties. They seized property of Southeast Igbos. And instead of trying to reconcile or, own up, say, yes, we did this, but we are sorry. How can we make up for this? They prefer, oh no, let's go our separate ways. Let's even act as if we are not Igbos again. Meanwhile, we eat the same food, we wear the same clothes. Our culture, tradition are very much related. We are more related than any other zone in this country. Yes, we, not just the Ikwere, the Ejos, the Urobos. If you look at our way of dressing, see a typical Urobo woman dress, you will think she is Igbo. So we are related, intra-related. Yes. We have a lot of things in common. I had the person who coined the name Biafra was somebody from Urobo or Ejoso, Franco Pigo. Meanwhile, the name has been existing. There's a place called Bight of Biafra. But when it comes to making use of it, as in the time of secession, this guy was behind this name. So why do we act as if we are different people? Why is it looking as if it is the only Igbos that want Biafra, that want to be free? It's like Igbos are the ones investing in the struggle, doing all the things. As if you guys are, oh, Biafra is about Igbo. I can't understand. Biafra is not just about Igbos. It should be about the whole Southeast, South-South region called Southeast, South-South called Eastern region in the past. But some people are acting as if it's our own thing. Anytime you mention Biafra, imagine, look at it's their thing. Igbos have invested a lot. I was discussing with an elder the other time. The elder told me, he gave me an instance. Yeah, he said, that's why he was trying to, we're discussing these differences, the South-South wanting to distance from us, especially because of what they call their oil. I'm coming to that too, yeah. Because they think we had oil, they had oil, and our interest is mainly oil, and we will dominate. He now he gave me an instance that I really thought it made sense. He said, if you are given 10,000 naira, let me use 10,000 naira, and you are 10, will you prefer to share that 10,000 naira with 10 people or 1,000 people? Would you prefer to share 10,000 naira with 10 people or 1,000 people? So, that is the mistake of the South-South. They want to share 10,000 naira with 1,000 people. They don't want to share 10,000 naira with 10 people. 10 people who have the same reasoning, the same way of acting, just like they do. People who have the same mind, the same feeling, almost same culture, almost same tradition. Anytime you tell them, let's work together and be free and be emancipated. They tell you we're after your oil. Remember, the oil in Southeast region can sustain Southeast. Yes, just Southeast. The oil in Abia State, Imo State, the one in Anambra, Enugu got other raw materials, resources, even Ebonyi. We all got that can sustain Southeast. Nobody is after your oil. But I have given you an example for you to go and think. And there is something I want to also remind us. That is the major reason I made this video, this short video. The second in command during the Biafran War was from the area, either you call it Cross River, Calabar, Akwa Ibom, Uyo. That's the region he came from. The second in command during the Biafran War, Effiong. I will play a video to you and you will see what he said. When you are being killed anywhere, when Igbos are being killed, for example, they kill you Ijos, they kill you Urobos, because we are alike. We are seen as the same people. Jonathan in power, for example, they saw him as an Igbo man. While Jonathan was in power, they felt the Igbos were in power. And so let's stop deceiving ourselves. They still see you the same. So the essence of this video is for you to change, come home. When I say come home, not just about just coming home, but let's unite and get free. Let's unite and get freedom. We are not different. We are more alike than we are different. So the Biafran struggle is not just about the Igbo people. Before I play this video, I would like to tell you about something I read of. The American former President Ronald Reagan, when the world was faced with, these alien fears, UFOs, those gray men with green eyes. There was a time the world was faced with such, and it is a threat that is capable of exterminating the human race. That is how they felt. Every country has their UFO files, and each country with that file tells you these things are dangerous. They can outwit us in our planet. Yes, they can outwit us. If we understand that we are faced with such threats as humans, why not we humans come together and fight this? That is the same thing I'm telling the Yorubas, the Ijos, Ishekri, and the rest of them. If you understand that what is coming after us will threaten our existence. What is coming after us sees us as one under the name Igbo. If you understand all of this, you will want to come together with the Igbo people. You will want to come together and let's get freed. Now see this video by Effiong.
Program, and I myself, I'm not an Igbo man, but I was to be killed also, and I just managed to escape. And a few of the officers escaped, but very many were killed. Those that were killed came from what was then Eastern Nigeria. For instance, Major Rock is not an Igbo man, but he was killed. He was killed in Kaduna. Major Kanam was killed in Lagos, and he is not an Igbo man. And several others like that. I'm trying to say that the officers killed, came not just from one tribe, but from the Eastern Nigeria as it then was.
Yes.
And So there you are. It was lucky for those of us that escaped.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.